Hi YouTube, well, welcome to my channel. It's Sahana and today I have an unboxing video. I don't usually make content like this, but I am low-key a shopaholic and I'm a baddie on a budget sometimes. So if you're a baddie on a budget, I want to show you this purse that I just got from this website online. It is a doopy doop and it's a Chanelica. Okay, and they sent it and it came really fast, which is shocking. If you know, you know, when you order stuff online, especially when it comes from like overseas, it does not come quick. This came quick, and I've been searching for this purse forever. And I was just like, you know what? Why don't I just get this one? Who cares? So I have really been on my shopping spree stuff lately because I moved and I'm buying stuff for my house and buying stuff for my life. So it comes with the dust bag. It was actually wrapped up really cute, but I was so thirsty to wear the purse. Let me show y'all the purse. I'm just talking. I know y'all don't care about what's in the box, but I love this purse. I've been wearing it every day for like a month. And it's her. Isn't she so cute? Look at the bottom. She's so tea. I'm going to insert a clip of like when I first unwrapped it inside of here. It'll probably be, matter of fact, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to link the videos if y'all want to see like the unboxing. I'll put it on my TikTok and my Instagram if y'all want to see, and YouTube shorts. But this is her, and this is like a month, and I haven't had any wear or tear. Like, baby, it's looking like the real thing. And so don't worry about the mirror, baby. I told you I've been wearing it, okay? The mirror is a little dusty. But inside, I just have to take everything out. But inside, it came super cute. It's like perfect. Let me show y'all. It's literally perfect. Look. Like, it's cute. You can wear it like do a little. Let me show y'all. Hold on. Y'all like my chair? I just bought that too. You do a cute little 1-2. Hey, hey girls, we're going out for brunch. Okay, but seriously, I left everything in the description. So if you want to get one, you can use the discount code and you can have one too. Let's see what the discount is going to be. What did they give? They just said discount code. Baby, I don't know what the discount is, but you're going to get something. It's probably like 20% off. So this here was like, I think it was like $200 or $300. So use the code, get the discount, and it does come fast. And if you have any questions, everything is going to be in the description. Bye. Oh, let's do a thumbnail. Let's do a thumbnail. Hold on. Let's get a thumbnail. Bye, y'all.